don't think I've ever doodled this much pencil. Let's do some more! We've over-doodled. Hold on, we drew 2 onions with legs. Let's just rub one of them out to make room for more doodles. Great, now we can doodle some more. Oof, all this doodling has made me hungry. Hey, where's our food? Well, maybe just some juice then. Hey, the juice is gone too. Pencil, something funny is going on here. A clue. Pencil, it's time for your magic to help solve this mystery. Doodle-doodle-doo. This is a very suspicious smudge, Pencil. Another clue, Pencil. I think this is a job for Detective Doodle. That's me.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Little, what's wrong?
Doodle Girl, I'm so glad you're here.
Today, I'm Detective Doodle.
That's perfect, Detective Doodle, because I've lost all my bird seed. I put it down right here, but now it's gone. Oh, thank you.
Don't worry, Little. Pencil and I are on the case.
Thanks, Doodle Girl.
Curiouser and curiouser. Well spotted, Pencil. The trail heads off in that direction. Ding and Tring, what's got your whiskers in a twist? I see, you were putting away your shopping and it just disappeared. Don't worry, Pencil and I are here. There's been a lot of funny business going on, and we're going to get to the bottom of it. Another clue! The smudges, the funny markings, the rubbings, and now a tear! I think I know what's going on. Pencil, I have a cunning plan. Oh, I am so hungry, Pencil. Why don't you draw me a big pizza while I have a nap inside the tent?